The Bosch washing machine door lock symbol may be flashing due to several reasons, including the activation of the child lock, improper closure of the door, or a faulty door switch. To resolve the issue, it is essential to try a few possible solutions. First, ensure the door is properly closed by examining it and checking for any obstructions, such as detergents or dirt, that may be triggering the sensors to send incorrect signals to the control board. Cleaning the door to remove any obstructions can often solve the problem. If the door is firmly closed but the issue persists, deactivating the child lock may be necessary. This can be done by accessing the control board, pressing and holding the start button for about 5 seconds, and then pressing the RPM and finished buttons simultaneously for 5 seconds, which will be indicated by a beep. If the issue is due to a faulty door switch, it may be necessary to replace it. To do this, access the door switch, clean it thoroughly if debris is present, and inspect for any physical damage that may be interfering with its ability to send signals to the control board. If the door switch is damaged, replacing it with a new one should resolve the issue. By following these steps, the flashing door lock symbol on the Bosch washing machine can be fixed, and the machine can function properly again.